But anyways, there's a small section right here, and you have to account for that. That is where it overlaps, because you cannot double up where the siding hooks on to the next piece of siding. Okay, one thing I want to show you is that you cannot nail these nails all the way in. This one has about maybe an 1/8 inch gap. This one over here has about maybe a 1/16 of an inch gap. Further down here, this one has about a 1/16 of an inch gap. But you cannot nail it tight against your backer board, your underlayment, or your 1/2 inch OSB in this case, because if you do, you will not allow this vinyl to expand and contract. So you cannot nail it tight. For this piece here, I know that it's going to be 4.5 right here, so I measure up here 4.5, and then I come down 10 inches right there, and the next measurement will be 9.5, which is this right here. So from this mark up to this one, 10 inches away, I want to have a line from here to here, because this is going to go over here, right there at that corner. That's why I have to clip it. So take a straight edge, put it up there, and you can cut off a little bit extra because we don't want to do this over again. Then you take your tin snips. These happen to be Weiss. Go ahead and trim it. Kind of difficult to cut through several different layers, but keep working at it. Now we're going to put this up there.